Kissimmee Utility Authority has released its 2023 Osceola Hurricane Handbook, a free, bilingual, comprehensive preparedness guide offered annually to Osceola County residents. The handbook can be downloaded in English and Spanish from KUA's website at kua.com/storm. Printed copies of the bilingual handbook are now available in KUA's Carroll Street. To receive a copy of the printed handbook by mail, residents should contact KUA at 407-933-9838 or by email at pr@kua.com. Persons with disability who would like to request this information in an alternative format should contact KUA at 407-933-9838.